Hey everyone, CNC Keith here. In this video, I'm going to cover the topic of the wizard not starting from the CNC12 software. A couple users have reported when they've upgraded to version 4.14, I'm going to go ahead and start version 4.14, that the wizard will not start from the utility menu. Well, let's check out what's going on here. Here I have version 4.14 up and running. I'm running on a Windows 10 Enterprise machine that was purchased with the Windows 10 previously installed. And when I click F7 Utilities and click F10 Acorn, nothing happens. And it takes me right back to the main screen of CNC12. So if I shut down CNC12 and right-click on the CNC12 mill icon and click Run as Administrator, you're going to see a completely different action in that the Centroid CNC12 software works correctly. I'm going to press F7 Utility, F10 Acorn, and there we go. The brand new 4.14 wizard is up and running, and we can get on with configuring our machine tool and the way we go. So what is going on? Let's check it out. I'm going to shut down CNC12 here, and let's talk about it. What's happening to a lot of guys is they're buying used PCs or even new PCs that have Windows 10 previously already installed by somebody else. In other words, they're not doing a fresh install of Windows 10 themselves. These PCs often already have the user account set up. And so if you watch the Centroid installation instructions, one of the things they tell you is to modify the user account or create the user account so that it has administrative privileges. Well, let's check out the administrative privileges on this particular computer. If I open up the user account screen, hey, it looks pretty good. It says CNC login, that's the name of the account, local account, it says administrator. Well, it turns out that even though that says administrator, this account is not giving full administrative control to this user. And I can prove that by right-clicking on the CNC12 icon and getting a different action than if I just double-click on it. Because when you double-click on it, it is not running it as an administrator, and therefore Windows 10 Enterprise, this is on Enterprise, is shutting down CNC12 from running another piece of software. The wizard is a separate piece of software, and this is Windows trying to stop any sort of malware or virus or something else from installing some nasty script. Well, we're friendly and we're not that, so we want the wizard to run. And if you right-click, Run as Administrator, everything works great. So you can do one of two things at this point to correct it. You can fix your user account so it's a real administrator account, or a quick dirty fix is to simply right-click on the Centroid icon and go Properties, and we're going to force it to run this shortcut as an administrator by clicking this box right here, Run Administrator, click OK, Apply, OK, and now if I double-click without right-clicking, Run it as Administrator, it will automatically run it as Administrator, and everything will work great. Here we go. I hope you found this informative, and good luck with your projects.